Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Katzelcreate and welcome back to our channel. So I am trying something different today. Excuse if you guys see a mess. I got Happy Mail and this one comes from Elisha. Look at you guys. So what I'm trying different, I'm trying my headphones that have a microphone. If you guys hear background noise, my dishwasher is going, so I'm hoping this doesn't sound on here, but we'll see. Anyway, so I got Happy Mail and this one's from Elisha and this one is from Tree. Yeah, Tree surprised me. I don't know why, but anyways, so let's go ahead and see what Miss Elisha sent. I know she had mentioned that she was going to send some stamped images of Julie Nutting, because me and Heather Manning are both participating in the monthly swap with Donna, powered by Creativity, here on YouTube, where she hosts a monthly Julie Nutting swap, and basically she has a theme each month, and you create what what the theme is, you create it, and by the 19th you upload a picture to her and she will pair you up, and you have to send it by the 22nd, I believe, to your partner. So yeah, it's been fun. I'm loving it. So let's go ahead and see. And I love these little dolls. I know she's been mentioning those, Elisha's been mentioning those little dolls, and so cute. Drink Me. And look at the playing cards. So I'm assuming this might be an Alice in Wonderland themed. Might be. I'm not too sure. And this is part of Julie Nutting. This is a Christmas one. And isn't that cute? So let's go ahead and see. Oh my goodness. You didn't have to cut them, Elisha. So this one comes with a mask. Oh, how cute. There's this little girl, and there's this North Pole. And this is a scarf, it looks like. May your holiday twinkle with magic. That's cute, and it has like a wow, like a glimmer effect. I don't know. Wonder what let me know what stamp you use, what ink you use for that one. That one's cute. Here's another scarf. This is the same as this one right here. Happy holidays. Here's her little mask. Here's her little kitty, and another mask. And I think she mentioned that they go to this one, I think. I don't know, or this one. Oh, I'll figure it out. Anyways, and then she sent me this stamp image of this little lady. Oh, and this one goes on top of her antlers. How cute. Thank you, Elisha. I feel awkward. I feel like I'm talking out loud, and I feel like people are listening to me. And oh, well, you guys are listening to me here. Oh, sorry, you guys. I'm like, Let's see. And I feel like you guys could hear my washing machine going off like crazy, but I will find out on the replay. So we'll see how things work out. Maybe this might be a better way. Oh, the roller skate! Roll with it. Aww. Aww. Okay, the enclosed are a few nutting stamps. The Halloween woman with the mask and cat, the ranger with scarf and North Pole, the ear muff lady with twinkle sentiment, and the fox with or without a bow. Oh, okay. I feel like this. Thank you, Elisha. Yeah, it will help me. I'm having so much fun with them. I was just gonna start repeating. Anyway, so let's go ahead and see what Tree from Crafty sent me. She said she was going to send it to me in this Prime Amazon envelope, and so yeah. Oh my goodness. So what she was originally supposed to send me was just the template, this in a smaller size. So it doesn't look like it's a template. It's more than that. And OMG, she did not. What am I gonna do with your Tree? What am I going to do with you, lady? I'm just pulling stuff. pulling stuff. I'm pulling stuff. OMG. Oh, she sent me these. So cute. Thank you. I have the paper pad. Oh my goodness. Thank you. Girl, you're too much. Oh, she sent me some Daiso stuff. Is this candy? Oh my goodness. Does it have a straw? Oh, I can't even hear it. Oh my goodness. I like this. Oh, here, maybe I'll figure it out right here. Is it candy? Is it? Oh, cute. Delicious. Very delicious. The most delicious. How cute. Oh, do I? Oh, okay. Oh. Oh, okay. You put like liquid in here or something. Oh, I wonder if you can open this. Oh, interesting. I can probably put my glue in here. Okay, so this, and then she sent me some of these cute little, girl, I don't know why you're sending me stuff. Girl, you shouldn't have. And then she sent me some of these. I think these are the BB Craft, the what are these called? Bottle cap openers? Or bottle caps? Oh, Tree, you shouldn't have. Oh my gosh. You know, Tree is always sharing her wealth with, you know, mostly everybody. So that is so generous. I feel, I'm sorry, I feel awkward. I feel like my, here's my templates. I feel like I'm talking to myself like a wacko lady cause that can't hear herself. So, oh my goodness. Oh, Tree, really? What am I gonna do with you? I just saw her do a review on this and I was like, oh, how cool. Oh, girl, my goodness, girl, you really, she just went to Daiso and she got me stuff from Daiso. I haven't been to a Daiso. I've been to California and I still have not stepped into a Daiso store like whatsoever. I don't even know if there's one around me. Probably, but I don't know. Look at, these are patches. Ooh, I like. And then she sent me some of her little flowers that she got. These are so cute. Oh, girl, you really should have not. And then these are almost the same but different. Did you even keep any for yourself? Oh my goodness, girl, you really are too much. Too much. Sticker flakes. Sorry, you guys. I hope you guys can see this. Oh my goodness. And hi, Trey, you're texting me. She asked me if I've opened this, and I'm like, no, not yet. No, not yet. Now I'm opening it, and you're texting me. Okay, so hold on. These are, look like the stickers. Hi, Tree, what am I gonna do with you, girl? Oh, these are so cute. These are like the carnival. These are cute, you guys. Look at, oh my goodness. Tree, you really are too much. Like, I'm dropping them all over the floor. Oh my goodness. Let me put these. Okay, you guys, I apologize for me taking a while to open and taking them out and everything, but that's me. Oh my goodness. Hi, Tree. Oh, these are the ones that she was showing. Girl, did you even go shopping for yourself? Oh my goodness, girl. OMG, girl, you are so too much. Please go awesome with these right here. Okay, I feel awkward talking on this headphone piece because it's my headphones and it has a microphone, so I do apologize if I sound awkward. It's just like I'm not used to not hearing my own echo. It's like muffled, so I do apologize for that. Oh my gosh, Tree, like I I feel bad. I so feel bad that you had to go shopping for me. Girl, you did not have to do this. Really did not have to do this. Oh my goodness. You already do so much for me. Like, girl, no. Don't send me more stuff. But I really appreciate it. Thank you. I am gonna hoard one, use one, gift one. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Hoard one, gift one, use one. Awesome. Awesome idea. Thank you, Tree, again. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you, Elisha, again. I will definitely use these stamped images, and oh my goodness, Tree, you are just too much. So if you guys do not know Tree or Elisha, I will link both of them down on the description below, so you guys could go over and check them out. And thank you for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Bye for now, and excuse my mess.